So here is the backend part of the project, and to run it I just run this. So now it's up and running. Now I also run the front end part of the project. Now it's up, so you can just click on this and the website comes up running on my local computer. This is essentially the main page of the website, what it's about, the process, what this product LulAI can do. And to try it out, we just click on Get Started here. And here we see that we can create a custom AI chatbot for any website in minutes. So now we can paste in the website link, and to test it, you can ask ChatGPT for random websites. I think it's better than I pick. Choose a random website to train a chatbot to test that it is correctly trained. It has chosen Python, Wikipedia, Python. Okay, so Wikipedia, Python, it's this one here. So just copy this link, go here and paste it. And now it's going to process. This is only what the user sees, but in the back end, we can see that it's opening up the different URLs and running to them and scraping them. And then this data will be used to train the artificial intelligence that will be used to respond to the user's queries. Now we have set it so it runs on a maximum of 5 pages per URL, so it doesn't take too long. And this makes it so it extracts less data. If we increase the number of pages, it will extract much more data from the website, but it will take a longer time. So by doing 5 pages, or even if you do less, it will be faster to train the chatbot. And if you choose more pages, it will get more data, but it will also take a longer time. Okay, I think it finished. Yes, so it finished training on the data, so we can see here. And now I can just ask it, what can you do for me? And it tells me I can provide you with helpful and accurate answers about Python programming language to some given context. What makes the Python language unique? Current Wikipedia, the design philosophy that emphasizes code readability with use of significant indentation makes Python unique. So I can click on refresh. Let's try another one. Give me another one that isn't a Wikipedia page. So now here we have IMDb. So can do the matrix page, IMDb matrix. So if maybe a person is a film enthusiast and wants to create a chatbot so he can talk about the matrix to learn what makes it such a good movie and how he could use that knowledge to create a script for a movie that is just as good. So I can submit. And we see here in the backend, it starts processing the IMDb link and the matrix website. And this one is actually quicker because it's a smaller page compared to the Wikipedia page. So it's already finished. You can tell it what can we can tell it what is the matrix? What is the matrix? And it tells us, unfortunately, the provided context does not contain any information about the matrix. Simply repeats the error code for 3 forbidden twice. So a possible reason for this happening is that IMDb blocks web scrapers because of their security mechanism. So the chatbot is unable to read through it. What do you know if it knows anything? Yeah, nothing. So let's try another one. So we can try TechCrunch. So an article in TechCrunch. So let's see how their security is. So we can try this event, TechCrunch Disrupt, and try it, train it, to see if it works or if we encounter the same problem. So I think it finished. So now we can ask it, what can you ask it, what is TechCrunch Disrupt? TechCrunch Disrupt is a conference that takes place on October 28th, San Francisco, the Amsterdam for startups. Tech leaders connect, learn, and grow their businesses. How do I sign up? Then it says, unfortunately, it seems that voluntary applications for TechCrunch .NET have already closed, so maybe it read something about voluntary applications. Bye-bye tickets. Then we see that to buy tickets for TechCrunch Disrupt, you can choose from the various types. So here we see attendee pass, is this price, expo pass. See that it works and is essentially specialized on that website. I can do a last one. Choose last one. Options, recipes, websites, classic lasagna. Okay, let's do classic lasagna. So this could be used by a chef. Once upon a chef. Try this one. So I'll try it again. Run it here. So I think it finished. See here that it scraped all of these sites. And here, let's actually ask ChatGPT what questions should I ask. Okay, it trained on that data. What questions should I ask it to test it? Okay, so what are the ingredients for this recipe? I can ask it. The ingredients for the classic lasagna recipe are for the sauce, so 5 garlic cloves, all of this, risotto textures, this one works. Ask how much ground beef do I need for the lasagna. The recipe does not call for ground beef, it requires Italian sausage instead, so it's actually smart and corrects me here. Card amount is 1.5 pounds of Italian sausage. So let's try this one here. How many servings does this recipe make? So 8. Then can I substitute ricotta cheese with cottage cheese? Although there is no specific information about the substitution in provide context, it can be inferred that you may be able to substitute ricotta with cottage cheese. However, please note that the flavor, consistency, and the overall result of the dish may be slightly different. It's generally recommended to drain the excess liquid from cottage cheese before using it as a substitute for ricotta cheese in recipes. Yes, so from these examples, you can see that it works for I would say most websites, but there are some websites like IMDb that are protected against web scraping, so they don't allow for web scrapers to search through the information. We have not found a solution to this problem yet, but for the websites that work, the goal with this product would be to essentially create a chatbot for those websites that users can use to interact with and understand it better. Essentially having the person specialized on that knowledge where they can ask to learn the information. For e-commerce websites, it would be essentially the chatbot that helps you, which is widely used at the moment. But for smaller businesses, it's not so well used. So we're thinking of using this solution to give them a plugin into their websites that their users can use. So this is the prototype that we have made. We're obviously going to work on it more and improve it, but this is what prototype can do for now.